How to remove Gmail account from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can remove your Gmail account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically remove your Gmail account from other devices, it's actually quite very simple to do. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Gmail application here, and then you're gonna see this type of interface. Tap the profile icon located at the top right hand side of the screen, then simply go to the option here known as manage your Google account. Once you go to manage your Google account, from here you want to simply navigate and scroll to the security tab over here. Once you go to the security tab, scroll down here, and then you'll find the option called your devices. Just tap on manage all devices option, and as you tap on the manage all devices button there, you should be able to see this sort of information where you can simply select it, and once it's selected you can just tap the sign out button, and then you'll be able to sign out of all the devices. This way you can remove your Gmail account from other devices. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.